So this is a bit level logical operation. Okay, we perform bit level logical operation. Okay, so you already know that there are few locations or bit addressable. If you see RAM, okay, if you see in RAM, already we have discussed from the location 20H2, that is for example 20H to 2F till this location, it is bit addressable. Okay, for example, this is having the location 20H location is having 8 bits. It is having around 8 bits. Okay, let us keep it. So starting from the address 002 07. Okay, the 20H location having 8 bits. Okay, so these everything are bit addressable. Keep in mind, these everything are bit addressable. Okay, for bit operation you can use. Okay, okay, now so till F7F bits are there, that is 7F locations are there particularly. So this is what we say here, this 20H is nothing but a byte addressing. Okay, complete 20H depends on the instruction what we use. There we can understand that is bit or byte. Okay, for example, see here my operation of this instruction is bit operation. How I am telling bit operation in the sense I'm using C. C is the carry, single bit. Okay, the data in this location will be moved to carry. What is the data in this location? That you should point out. It is not 00H. That is initial location of the RAM. No, it is the location of bit addressing, because this is the bit operation, because we are using carry. C is the single bit. C is the single bit that you should understand. C is the single bit operation that you should understand. Okay. Now, so from the instruction, you can understand that it is a bit operation or byte operation. So this is the instruction which tells you that it is a bit level operation. Okay, just keep in mind. Okay, now I have explained from which locations we have bit addressing. This already we discussed in the class also. Okay, now what I can do is, so to this location 20H, I can load some value here. Okay, so actually they have initially loaded some value before executing. This is my input now. Okay, 20H location, particularly these two bits having a data 1 1, that I am taking as input to my program. Okay. Now I'm going to perform initially AND operation with these two location. What is this location here? In this location, I have my data 1 1. Okay, 1 1. Okay. Now I'm going to perform my bit level logical AND operation. So whatever the data in this 00H, this 00H, that is moved to accumulate. Sorry, carry. Okay, carry. Now carry is 1. I'm going to perform AND logic now. Operation is carry AND logic with the data in the location 01H. What is the data in this location that you should know? What is the data in this location 01H? Since it is a bit level logic, it is pointing to this location. It is 1. Okay, it is 1. The C is having a data 1. So 1 AND logic with 1, you have output that is output will be 1. Where this 1 is stored? Anybody can tell me? Where this 1 is, resultant 1, where it is stored? Always I told destination comma source. So in carry, this data will be stored. Which is your destination? This is your destination. Arithmetic or logical operation, the syntax I told you, it is like, if it is AND logic, destination comma source. If it is add destination comma source. If it is a move also, it is destination comma source. So this syntax you should understand. Okay. Nowhere they would have told, but you should understand this. Okay. Now in carry, we have my result. I have my result. Where I should store? I can store my data carry to 80H. 80H. So which is bit addressing. So where is this 80H? You can see that. So here, actually it is not 0A, it is 08. Keep in mind. So here. Okay, now you can tell me one AND logic with 1, output is 1 now. So this is the data is stored in 08 location. As per this instruction, data is stored in 08 location. Now we have performed AND logic. Okay, we have performed AND logic. If you want, we can take this instruction till this instruction. I will copy, I will put in the software. Okay. So now okay. So now we will come to normal mode, build the program. There is no error. Debug the program. Okay. Okay. Now where is this location 00H? So you can access by the way, that is 20H. Okay. In this 20H, we have, I told in 20H, we have 8-bit data whose address is 00, 01, 02, like that till 07. So in 0 and here, that is here the location, actually this is wrong way to say. Here it is starting from 00 to 07, 01. Okay. So like this it is there. So here initially we have a data 1, 1. This is my input. This is my input. So in my location 20, what is the data I have? In the sense 0 and this is 2, this is 2 and 1. 8421, 8421. So initially 8421 is 0, that I mentioned. For this 84, that is 484 bits, the data is 3. Okay, this is my input. This is my input. Okay. So now I should load my input is the location 20H in the internal memory. I just load my 3H is my data. Sorry, 3. Okay. So this is my data. What is my output? It is going to show. My output should be, I'm loading the carrier result in 08H. Where is this 08H? 08H is in the location in 21H location. 08 is this address, initial address. So here in this location, your result is stored. That is, you after execution, your data is now 01H. Okay. This is only for AND logic. Now we will check out whether you are getting that. Okay, now you can see that here, the next location, which is 21H, it is loading with data 0, 1. The result is stored in this particular location. That is 08H. Where is that 08? It is in 21H location. Okay, first bit. Right. So like that. So now we will go to the exact program. We have seen one of the AND logic. Similar way, we will here we have another set of instruction that I will highlight now. Okay. So what they are doing, simply the first they are moving, that is from this location, the data is moved to carry. Now carry is 1. So same, the carry AND logic with complement of 0, 1H. So what is the complement 0, 1H? The data, this address, in this address, data is complemented. So the data is 1 AND logic with 0. The output is 0. Now the carry is having data 0. That 0 is moved to 09H bit operation. So it will point to next location. What is the result? 0. 0 is pointing to next location. Okay. So we are taking two data. We are performing AND logic. Complement of AND logic also we have done. So like this, we are performing OR logic till this point. That is same data we are doing with the next data with OR logic. Output is 1. So here as of now, the carry is 1. So this one is moved to 0A. So we are moving 0A with the data 1. So this is the one which is moved. Okay. Before execution, everything is 0. That you know. So next, come to here, same thing, perform whatever may be. Here also the result carry will be having 1. Same 1 complement of 1, that is 0. 1 OR with complement of 0, output is, the complement of 1 is 0, output is 1. So this is the value stored in the carry. So this is moved to another location 0B. Here you can see that 0B. Okay. So set bit C. I'm just using instruction that is set bit C. Whatever may be the value, the carry is 1. So that I am pushing to another location. Okay. This is one how you can store your carry bit to the one of the location. So next, just move this carry to, that is here. In this location, I'm just moving my carry. That is what is the carry? Carry equal to 1. Because previous instruction, we have loaded carry is 1. That we are pushing to this location. Okay. Now, directly, we are setting the corresponding location, this location, whatever the data in this location, we are setting, we are set bit 1. Set bit means it will be placed with 1. Okay. That's it, over. So we are not touching these two locations. So as per this instruction, we are performing, we are taking two data and we are performing certain AND logic, OR logic, and that is performing logical operations. And we are setting some carry and placing the result in one of the location. And directly we are accessing one of the location and setting that. Right? So directly we are pinpointing one of the location, that is 0DH. I want to set that particular location. I'm just making it as 1 by using instruction set bit B. Let us take the same program. Let us execute same program and let us see whether you are getting the data like here 3, it is 8421. What is the data? 8 plus 12, 13. What is 13 in hexadecimal? A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, and D is 13. So this is the data you should get after executing all these instructions. Okay, 3D. Okay, keep in mind the result is 3D. If you want, we can take all the instructions and we go to software. We'll try to put everything. 00H. Okay, now we will go to normal mode, build it, go to simulation mode. Okay, so here I told you as per my program in 20H, the data is input data is 03 that you should give. Okay, that is from the location 00 and 01, you have 1 bit. Now I will start to run. Okay, so here you can see that the result is in 21H. So based on these instructions, data is modified. We got output as 3D. Okay, that is 3D is as per the 8-bit data is concerned, but our program, we have done some bit level logic operations to enable certain bits, in the location 31H. Okay, so you can perform any logical operations and you can store any of the result in any of the locations, and you can easily access that. Okay, so this is what we discussed, is everything is bit level logic, bit level logic operation. Okay, so it's very simple. So in exam, they may ask you write a program to perform certain bit level logical operations. That's it. So you have to take your own input and you can provide your own output. But it should be right one. Okay. It is not something you write down. No, it is not accepted.